In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use recurring tasks in Todoist. Todoist is a fantastic tool for managing your tasks and to-dos, and setting up recurring tasks can really help streamline your daily routine. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make the best use of this feature. First, we'll start by opening Todoist. If you're using the web app, simply navigate to it in your browser. Once you're in Todoist, direct your attention to the left-hand panel where you'll find the My Projects section. This will hold all your organized projects and categorization for your tasks. Click on My Projects to view the list of projects you have set up. Next, select the project that you want to incorporate recurring tasks into. This could be something like your morning routine or a work-related project. Click on the project and you'll be able to view all the tasks associated with it. Once you're viewing the tasks, choose the specific task you want to set as recurring. Click on the task to edit its details. Now take a look at the options available for the task. You'll see a section for the date. Click on it to set the due date for your task. Once you've selected the desired date, you'll then see options to set the time. Clicking on the time will allow you to specify exactly when you want the task to be completed each time it recurs. In addition to setting the time, consider adjusting the time zone if necessary. This is particularly important if you frequently travel or collaborate with team members in different regions. By clicking on the time zone, you can ensure your task reminders are accurate no matter where you are. Once you've adjusted the date, time, and time zone as desired, don't forget to click on Save. This ensures that all the changes you've made so far are locked in. Finally, let's make the task repeat. Click on the Repeat option. Todoist allows you to choose from several repeating intervals. You can set it to daily, weekly, monthly, or even create a custom recurrence pattern that fits your schedule best. For instance, if it's a task you need to do every Monday and Thursday, you can specify this exactly. Choose the pattern that best suits your needs and click to confirm. And there you have it. Your task is now set up to recur according to the schedule you specified. Recurring tasks are a wonderful way to maintain consistency in your projects without the need to manually input the same task over and over. It saves time and keeps you organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Todoist's recurring task feature. Happy tasking!